Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to learn about object-oriented programming, which is also known as OOP. This is one of the most important programming paradigm used in almost every modern programming language. So our today's lecture is a beginner's friendly explanation with real-world examples. In our today's lecture, I will gonna give you some real-life examples that how programming language is used in our real life. So before starting our lecture, we are going to start the basic introduction of OOP, that what is object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming simply means writing code using objects. An object combines two things, data, also called attributes, and functions, which are known as methods. For example, a car object has attributes like color or model and methods like start or stop. Why object-oriented programming is used? So, object-oriented programming makes our code reusable, modular, and easier to maintain, just like in our real life, where we break big problems into small parts. In programming, we do the same through OOP. For example, in a school management system, we can have students, teacher, and course objects. Four pillars of object-oriented programming. There are different concepts which are used in object-oriented programming, but the four main pillars are used in object-oriented programming, which are encapsulation. Encapsulation means putting data and methods together. Then second one is inheritance, means reusing code from one class in another. Third one is polymorphism. Polymorphism is the combination of two words. Poly means many and morphism means forms. So it means one method behaving differently in different situations. And fourth pillar is abstraction. Abstraction means hiding unnecessary details and showing only what is important. So now we are going to explain or see the example of encapsulation which is related in our real life. So let's say we have a bank account object. It stores balance as an attribute and has method like deposit and withdraw. The balance cannot be changed directly from outside. It is protected inside the class. This is encapsulation. Then we have inheritance example. Let's suppose a person class can be inherited by student and teacher classes. They share common attributes like name, but students have grades while teachers have salaries. This saves us from writing the same code again and again. Then polymorphism example. Polymorphism means many form. For example, a draw function behaves differently for a circle and a rectangle. In daily life, the call button works differently in WhatsApp, Messenger or on your phone. Same name, different behavior. This is polymorphism. Then we have abstraction example. Abstraction hides complexity. For example, when you drive a car, you only use the steering, accelerator, and brakes. You don't need to know how the engine works inside. In programming, we do the same by hiding unnecessary details from the users. So now let's see the summary of today's lecture. To summarize, object-oriented programming helps us organize code just like real-world objects. It makes programming more efficient, logical and easy to understand. In closing, so thank you. I would like to say thanks to all of you for listening me. In the next lecture or in the next session, I will inshallah start or explore each pillar differently. So you will see that how inheritance use or how we can do programming in Java of inheritance or polymorphism or other its pillars. So keep watching my channel and I hope you will subscribe and like today's video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.